students, now we are going to talk about various referencing styles or techniques. Referencing is too much important in scientific writing. Simply, if we see, referencing means an instance of referring. It is a method to recognize others for their work relevant to undertaken work. It is also called as citations. Author's name with year is given in text citation for quoting his or her work, while details of this is added in last of document under section of references or works cited. This is part of academic and scientific writing, where information about original source is mandatory. This helps to avoid plagiarism, that is an act of unauthorized imitations of other works. So here we are giving the recognition to all others who have done the relevant works on similar topics. Based on format, punctuation, order of information, various types of referencing styles are suggested, like Harvard, APA, Vancouver, Chicago, AMA, ACS, and many others are there. Basically, if we see, few of the differences are suggested as MLA type of citation style. If we see, these are usually used in humanities, where the types of citation are parenthetical with author and page number, while in APA it is suggested that it is usually used in psychology, education, social sciences, where type of citation is parenthetical, where emphasis is on author and date. In case of Chicago A, it is usually suggested that it is used in history or humanities, where footnotes are usually used, while in case of Chicago B, it is suggested that it can be used in sciences, social sciences, humanities, where parenthetical type of citation is used with emphasis on author and date, while Harvard is suggested to be used in economics and the type of citation is same way parenthetical with emphasis on author and date. So, but in all of this, some general rules of referencing are there, like details of references are listed at the end of work. The title references is placed in center and in bold letter. Only those sources cited in work are listed. There is double line space between each entry. Each reference ends with full stop. References are started with first author's name followed by subsequent author's name. Number of times the word reference and bibliography are used with interchangeability, but traditionally basic differences lies between them. References are sources cited in text of assigned or undertaken works, while bibliography is list of all sources used during the works, either included or not included in text. In some of the style of referencing techniques, bibliography contains comments of authors too. Now we will see Harvard referencing style. This is parenthetical type of referencing technique where original source appear in text of paper. Author's surname with year and after that comma to separate page number appears in text. You can see the example like Jha 2017, comma P.37. These all are in bracket. There is no comma in between surname and year. However, author's name is also allowed to be written outside of bracket as Jha under bracket 2017, comma P37, bracket close. So here P dot is used for single page, while PP dot is used for range of pages. If page number is not given, then it is written for paragraph number as Jha 2017, comma para 2. If name of author is not given, then name of organization or title is added as under bracket RMAR 2019, comma PP dot 73 to 91, bracket close. Hanging indents are not added. Alphabetical organizations by author's name is done usually. If more than one work of same author is cited, then it should be ordered according to chronology. Multiple work of same author in the same year, like citing different edition of same work in one parenthesis, like Jha under bracket 2010 semicolon is used to separate 2017. Like this way you can use for a lot of works. Citing a secondary source, Hukkeri 2000 under bracket cited in Jha 2017 p.19 bracket close. So it is exactly the work of Hukkeri what was cited by Jha. Citing a book, if we are talking, Jha, P.K and Sanjaya K.S. 2017 Research Methodology and Medical Statistics, first edition. EDN is used for edition. R Mark is a publisher, Koppa, Karnataka, India. Citing a edited book like Jha, B.C. under bracket EDS. EDS is used for editors. Then year under bracket 2011 and book name is Gandhi in his words, published by Mohani Publication, Bihpur. Citing a chapter in an edited book like Jadeja A 2018. Chapter name is Rules of Standardization of Medicinal Plants. In Anusri HS, Anusri HS is editor. The original whole book name is Quality Standards of Medicinal Plants. Published from RMark, and this was the page number, range of page number, like pp.34 to 89, where this chapter is published. While citing a e-book like Hurst, JGS, Sankara's Advait Vedant, A Way of Teaching. This is Google book, available on the site, details are given, assessed on the date 30th April 2020. Journals, article citations, if you are talking, so like Chitra.A.N 2020. This is the title of article, like a clinical evaluation of Tripladya Avleh in iron deficiency anemia, Panduro, that was published in newsletter of RMark, 26th volume 1 series. So that page range is given 2 to 6, available at this website. Details are given in PDF form and assessed on 29th of April. Website, if we talk, same with Chitra AN, available at this and then assessed on this. So here you will find that in website, if we are quoting, we are just citing the name of author and year and which date you have assessed, and then details of website. Now we'll come to another style, that's the APA style. Here if we are talking about a book in print like Apte V.S 1963, the book's name coming like the student's Sanskrit English Dictionary, page number 366, Motilal Banarsidas, that publisher's name, and from Delhi. A book chapter in print version, if we are talking, like Hebron D.M under bracket year, Philosophy and Science of Subjective Well-being in M.EID and R.J. Larson. They are our editors. In the book name, The Science of Subjective Well-being, page ranges are given under bracket. Then publisher's name and the place of publication. For an e-book, same way here if we are talking, here author's name Hurst JGS, Advait Vedant, A Way of Teaching. Here we are using retrieved from. Then website detail is there. That is the difference from there. Here retrieved from we are using, there we are using available on. An article in print journal, if we are talking, same way initials like Aguilar.H and lot of authors are there, Henderson.BA and all. So there in bracket 2016 then name of this title, and then we are using the name of, after dot we are using the name of current clinical microbiology, that's the journal name, and that title name was under inverted comma, journal name is under italic, and then reports, that year, volume and details and pages are given. If an article in a journal without DOE is there, then author's name under bracket year, full stop, then name of this title, then journal name is coming under italic. Lot of times volume is also taken in italic, but number of people are not also taking. Then it's retrieved from which website you have given. In case of DOI is there, then you have to add DOI number at last of this. If we are talking about websites, professionals or personal sites, then you have to specify whether it's a technical note or something else. Then technical note and details of that. With like here, if you will find, we have taken from World Health Organization's website. So this is technical note on quality and regulatory consideration for the use of vitamin A supplements in public health programs for infants and children aged 6 to 59 months. So then after that, W Health Organization, name of the organization in italic, under bracket that year, month and date, and then retrieved on this date from this website. If we are using online government publications from websites, like here you can see Ministry of Home Affairs, under bracket, year, month, date, and then the topic name, that's the annual report Ministry of Home Affairs 2018-19. Then retrieved from the website detail is given. Lot of times we also cite emails in text, like according to this person's name, under bracket, personal communication, date and year. But when we talk about the Chicago style, so for a book, we can find that under bracket, author's name, then year, after that comma, and page range is given, or range of pages are given in text citations. While in if you are citing in bibliography or references, then Pollen dot Michael complete is not M dot 2006. This here you will find that year is also not given under bracket. Then the title, the Omnivore's Dilemma, a natural history of 4 meals, and then publications from where it is published. In case of an article in print journal, in text citations, author name, then year, comma, page. While in bibliography, author name, year, the title is in inverted comma. Then journal's name, volume and page. An article in electronic journal, so in text citations, same way we are using. Here in case of bibliography, here the changes will come. We have to write about the SS date with DOI number if DOI number is there. Otherwise you can, if it is not there, that's okay. You can leave that. When we are citing a website, so in text citations you have to write, like Google book is there, so Google 2009. But in bibliography you have to write like Google.2009. Under inverted comma, Google privacy policy inverted comma close, last modified March 11, and then website details are given. But Vancouver style is slightly changed from this. Here author's name, as editors, if for book if we are seeing, so then after this title is given, and then publication. After publication only year is coming, and that's not in bracket. Then we are adding page number. Same way you can find if it is taken from internet. So author name, then title, then you have to write that internet, and then publisher name, then cited on which year, which date, then after that page number, then available from the website details should be given, and in last if DOI if of that article is there, that's you have to write about. While when we are going to cite a chapter from a book, then first we have to use author's name, then title of the chapter, then in which book it is published. So there in this first editor's name, and after that comma editors, then name of the book, and under bracket after that internet, then publication name and place. After that it is coming after semicolon, then we are using year, under bracket cited in which month or date, then chapter 18. This way we are writing, and then we are adding the details of website. Same way you can find that for any book from internet, you have to write from author's name, like author's names, that's followed by chapter name, title, under bracket internet, then year, March, then under bracket which date it was cited, then volume or series with page number, and then you have to write from available from which site. So this way, these are the basic differences you will find. That's these differences depend upon the punctuation and order style. So this we have to understand. Like basically if we see the differences between Harvard citation and APA citation. So in Harvard, when more than one author is associated, we are using the names linked by A and D and. While in APA citation we are using just and we are using. Then reference page is cited as, in Harvard citation work cited, while references word we are using APA citation. In Harvard citation we say that it is more relevant to scientific writing, while APA citation is suggested as it's more relevant to social and behavioral sciences. Further, according to country also, UK and Australia for academic purpose they are predominantly using Harvard citation, while US is predominantly using APA citation. In case of Harvard, the edited works are marked by ED or edited by, while in APA it's only marked by ED under bracket, that's capital E, D and bracket close. The year of publication is not included in parenthesis in Harvard citation, while that's added in parenthesis in APA. So this is I think quite enough for referencing style. This might be boring, but this is too much useful nowadays for everyone. If you are relevant to scientific writing, report or writing proposal, anything like that, where what is used in academics. So this is enough, I think, for understanding at least the basic concept of referencing techniques. So thanks a lot. If you like this lecture, please subscribe this channel, like and share video. With time, it will cover the whole syllabus of research methodology and biostatistics for BMS final year and PG first year. Thank you all.